Namaste. See, yoga is like a wishing tree. It can give you what you want. And in this sequence today, we're going to use it for energizing the body and the mind. So, when we are sitting at our desks for a long time, you can feel kind of a brain fog setting in, looking at those spreadsheets and documents for hours and responding to all the instant messaging platforms that are bombarding your brain all day. It kind of takes away your sharpness and makes you feel a little muddled and maybe even slows you down. Taking a break can enhance your effectiveness. And now we're going to compete with coffee in this particular routine and see if a small practice of yoga from the ancient times can give you as much of a high as caffeine. So come join us. It's a routine right at your desk or by the side of it. And assisting me today is Amrita. And we're going to start with something for the brain. So we're going to tap our skull. So make a fist and tap your skull everywhere on the skull. It is said that this practice over a period of time when sustained can even improve your memory. Now that's a good incentive. Okay, now after that we're going to give a scalp massage, which can be also relaxing and energizing. So you're gently moving the scalp with all your fingers. You can do it all the way from the front to the back. Keep breathing normally and just giving all of your scalp a nice massage. So you're not moving the fingers, you're just moving the scalp with your fingers. And that's refreshing. Okay, and then next up, we're going to recharge our fingers, which have been tired at the keyboard all the time. So just opening and closing the fingers in bursts and then taking the arms out to the side and then to the front, closing and opening and then lifting up, and you can even go up on your toes a bit, giving a nice stretch, and slowly bring the hands down. Nice. Now we're going to blink the eyes just 10 times, opening and closing the eyes. This is great for screen fatigue. You can even wrinkle your face, make it look as weird as you can. Have fun. And slowly drop that practice. Next up, we're going to stretch our legs a little bit. That just helps you open the legs for the two asanas that we're going to practice. So you could either do it like this or take the support of a wall, whatever works for you, and slowly lift the leg up as much as you can. Now, if you don't have a lot of hip flexibility, it might be just here, and that's fine too. A couple of breaths and release. And repeat on the other side. Yeah, taking it up as much as you can, relaxing back and release. And next up, we're going to give a stretch to the thighs, lifting up. Keep breathing, standing nice and tall, and relax. And then repeat on the other side. And relax. Now, we talked about sedentary lifestyles, and here we are. We're going to do chair pose, Utkatasana, where you're not going to sit on your comfy chair. You're going to sit on an imaginary chair. And so for that, place your feet hip width apart. This is a great asana for your lower back, improving circulation in the feet, energizing the feet, and for the spine to have a better flow. So with an inhalation, sweep your arms up and go squat into an imaginary chair and exhale. Now keep breathing, okay? You can be up on your toes. If that's too much for you, you can have your feet flat on the floor, whatever works for you today. And if you're losing balance, then you could lean forward a little bit. Otherwise, you could be straight here, whatever works. You kind of engage your glutes when you move forward a little bit. That gives you balance. And just stay here and say, my body is no burden. It is light as air. Just imagining that lightness in the body. And if you have happy knees, you could go all the way down, which is what Amrita is going to demonstrate. And if you have any problems with the legs or knees or spine, then just stay where I am. And continue to affirm, my body is no burden. It is light as air. 2 more breaths there. My body is no burden. It is light as air. And then slowly, with awareness in the spine, you come up and lift your arms up, circling them and coming back. You can close your eyes here for a mini meditation, affirming, my body is no burden. It is light as air. And kind of tuning into your body also and feeling it light and feeling yourself centered. Feeling grateful for this body. My body is no burden. It is light as air. And softly open your eyes. Now we're going to do one more practice, which is Vajrasana, which is called the firm pose or the thunderbolt pose. Amrita is going to demonstrate it for you, and we will use a few props to help you be more comfortable in the pose. So with feet hip width apart, she has gone down on her knees, and the right big toe crosses over the left big toe. Now for a lot of you, flexibility may be an issue. So we're going to use a couple of props, yeah. And here is what you could do. One, you could roll, maybe like a blanket or a towel. Just roll it and place it under the ankles. Yeah? This will give you a lot of relief if the ankles hurt. And then if there is need for a little more comfort, then you could place a cushion between the heels and the buttock. Right big toe continues to be crossed over the left big toe. And then you place your right hand in your left hand. And this is a great posture for instantly energizing you. And with that energy, you could feel more focus and concentration in your brain. You can close your eyes here and affirm mentally, in stillness, I touch my inner strength. In stillness, I touch my inner strength. Feeling that sense of stillness and centeredness. And then slowly letting go of your practice. And we're going to do a brief meditation here. So now that we feel very energized, we could either do it in Vajrasana, or you could do it in a simple cross-legged. And just making sure you're comfortable. Your feet are kind of hip width apart if you're doing it in Vajrasana, or a simple cross-legged is fine. And if it's hard for you to get on the floor, then you could even be on a chair. And just closing your eyes and tuning into that stillness and tuning into your breath. Making it an intention to feel the stillness. touching your inner strength and maybe some inner silence in the mind. And softly open your eyes. And you can take this bit of stillness into your work, being calmly active and actively calm. Joy to you.